Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my Animal King progression. You might be wondering, why does it take 1 month for me to upload? Well, it's because my old laptop kinda broken down and it took me like 1 month for the new PC to arrive. Also, I did procrastinate a little bit, just a little bit though, trust. I actually hate selling this game. Just look at this, you can't even see anything, it's so blurry. Alright, we're finally here. I'm just gonna go and kill the angel and get Starkindred. Just a quick tip, if you don't have unit hook or jet striker, just use your glider to fly to the other side and walk across the log. Just that giant log. If you have jet striker, just jump up here, but I don't and I accidentally landed here. So I guess I have to fly all the way back to the other side. Now, all you have to do is walk across this log and don't fall down, because it will be bad if you do. And the Starkindred NPC is right here. And don't worry guys, it's really easy to defeat it. I have found some victims to help me with my angel killing. No, god damn it, why is the angel so hard? Its move is just slow. As you can see, I have killed the angel first try. If you see me dying, then you're just hallucinating. Bro, why is random people on Deepwoken just jumping me for no reason? Alright, we finally got Starkindred. Alright, first angel. Is it just me, or is it the mantra angel easier than the actual angel, like the first one? Elibis, whatever his name is called. Like, see, it's dead already, and I barely take any damage. It's definitely easier. Alright, we got our first mantra, Ascension. Now I'm just gonna take my wings out. Nice, I'm looking drippy. Damn, I love Animal King. The mobs just don't attack you. It's make like progressing so much easier. Look at that, we're friends. The carbuncles are helping me fighting the angel. Thank you. Second angel dead. Oh nice, we got the halo move. I'm actually not going to go kill the third angel, because I don't really need the celestial assault. That move is like really bad, I think. Alright, it's just gonna be a grinding montage now. Yo, what? That Thrasher just got like sniped. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. I'm really sorry for the very shitty audio and just editing in general.